Hi, I'm Doug. I'm a product manager here at NETGEAR. What do restaurants, cafes, and retail stores have in common? Guests and Wi-Fi. It has become increasingly important to engage with customers through technology. Captive Portal is the way to do it. Captive Portal is the very first screen that you see when you walk into a store and log on to the public Wi-Fi. A well-designed Captive Portal usually requires a web design team, which could be expensive both in terms of time and money. NETGEAR Instant Captive Portal through a wizard walks you through step by step to set up the Captive Portal, and then subsequently maintains and hosts your portal as part of the service. With NETGEAR Instant Captive Portal, you perform the configuration and the administration through NETGEAR Insight, and then you offer secure and customized Wi-Fi access to your customers. Maintain full control over the user login workflow and your choices of splash pages, payment method, and ad display. Receive user analytics and retain your private user login data. NETGEAR Instant Captive Portal helps you better engage with your customers while offering them the free Wi-Fi access that they want. I'm Doug Chung. Thanks for watching.